What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, family. It's Monday, which means it's Tuesday tomorrow, which we can get back into the money. So in today's video, I got 5 stocks for you guys to put on your radar. So before we start this video, make sure to hit that like button. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes, and also hit that subscribe button if you guys are new here. Turn on the post notifications bell so you're notified every time I post. And without further ado, let's get right into the market. So guys, first of all, I got, as always, ticker symbol SPY pulled up. We're sitting at right now $538.37. And as you can see, we rose up 1% today. However, we are down about 60 cents. So with that being said, we do have a bit of low volume because once tax season comes in, a ton of people are just focused on that. Okay, they're not here looking at the markets, they're just letting their investments grow. But a lot of the major companies over the weekend had great news, had great contracts pushing the market higher. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the levels. So this level right here, 542, excuse me, is going to be very important tomorrow. You could see that this has been key resistance that's been tested multiple times during the pre-market and intraday. Okay, we couldn't break through 542, so make sure you watch that out for tomorrow. Okay, otherwise watch for the 535 support. You could see that there's been a ton of resistance as well at 538. Okay, so it's gonna go 538, 542, right, and then 544. So look for those key levels, and also watch to the downside, because remember, you can make money in both directions, whether it's up or down. Okay, the stock market has 2 moves. Watch for the break of 537. Okay, other than that, we are up 11% the past week. Okay, that is one of the biggest or the biggest stock market gains in the past week. So let me know if you guys also got some stocks on the huge sell-off. Okay, because the stock market is not going to go down forever, right? We got buyers stepping in, pushing the market back up. Okay, on top of all this tariff talk, you can see that it's going to be continuing for a few weeks. So with that being said, okay, you guys are going to be expecting this back and forth tariff talk. Okay, it's not going to end for quite a while, right? We got to come to negotiations, settle on a deal, or take it all back, right? Whatever the market does, whatever the news is for the tariffs, we go ahead and play off that. Okay, we make money off that. We don't wait on the sidelines, right? We can wait on the sidelines for a bit. However, it's time to jump in when news strikes. Okay, so I got some stocks for you guys. Next up, we got ticker symbol BULL. Let me know if you guys made some money on Webull stock. Man, this one has been flying all day, up 372.68% today. I think this is one of the biggest percentage gains out this week. So let me know if you guys saw yesterday's video. Okay, we were talking about bull stock and their introduction to the market. Okay, as for now, Webull sits at 53.30 and it has strong support. Okay, currently at $53. So watch out for bull tomorrow. This is gonna make swings up and down, just 50-30%. It's gonna go crazy tomorrow. So I need you guys to keep bull on your watch list. Okay, this one once again has been growing. Okay, 100% the pre-market. Intraday, it went up 476% at the peak. Okay, let me know if you guys took a look at bull yesterday, okay, or today. All right, bull has been strong, so a key watch for tomorrow. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. Nvidia is down 0.21% today, and it is down 0.57% overnight. Okay, it had great news in the morning, just like Apple. Okay, Apple's another stock that had great news. However, it is looking like it's about to gap down. Okay, so with that being said, watch for 109 tomorrow. Okay, 109 is going to be a key level, as well as 111. Now you guys can make moves. You can dollar cost average over time, or get into options, right? Calls and puts. Know your 2 options before stepping in. Okay, so we want to be looking for a break to the upside of 111, okay, or the break to the downside below 109. Okay, either one of those, you can make money both ways. So be on the lookout for Nvidia tomorrow. And as you can see, once again, on the weekly chart, we are up 30% in the past week. Okay, so 109 is definitely going to be a huge support for Nvidia, so do watch out for that for me. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AAPL. Now, Apple, once again, had major news overnight, gapping up 6% in the pre-market, but all the gains were sold off, okay, intraday. So we were up 2% in half the day, and then you could see now we are sitting at 202, right? From 211 to 202. You can see how fast the market goes, okay? In just a snap, in just a blink of an eye, now Apple's giving up most of its gains. So I need you guys to make sure you are taking profits along the way up, okay? Don't let this fool you. Don't let the gap ups 30% on the week, on the day, fool you into not taking profits. Because guys, at the end of the day, okay, make sure you are taking profit. Don't get greedy. Don't let a green trade turn into a red one just because you want a few extra dollars, okay? So next up, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Now I like Palantir. It is setting up, okay? It is in no man's land right now. However, it is bounced between that $65 level earlier. Okay, you're gonna see $68, but we're back up to the $92 mark. Okay, this is what I like. Palantir has been a battle this whole month. Take a look at this, from $74 all the way to $92, and especially after that $68 correction, right? So Palantir, I want you guys to watch out for that $94 level, and also for the downside, I need you guys to watch $90. Okay, do watch both of those levels. Those are going to be important for tomorrow. So that is Palantir. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RKLB. So guys, take a look at this. Once again, 4% up in the pre-market, and it's sold off huge today, right? This is down 4%. However, guys, take a look at this. It spiked up 8% after hours. We got some news, okay? So I'm gonna read it off for you guys. Rocket Lab on-ramped to multi-billion-dollar US and UK defense contracts that expand hypersonic technology development with haste. With that being said, Rocket Labs ran up 9% in the after hours. So you guys are gonna see profit taking in the after hours as well, okay? Just because it went up 10% doesn't mean people are not going to take profit. Next up, we have ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is ramping up, okay? Take a look at this. It ramped up 258 pre-market. However, intraday, it dropped down to 248. So I want you guys to watch out for that 250. That's going to be resistance, okay? It was support previously, but old support turned into resistance, okay? That's a clear example right here on Tesla right now at 250. So with that being said, Tesla does have earnings in the next week. So do watch out for that, because earnings, when people tend to play with it, it makes huge moves. So watch out for that. Tesla on the week, it is up 20% in the past week. Okay, on the month, it is up 2.75%. However, this one is very volatile. Okay, I want you guys to watch out. Don't get stuck in the bull traps with this one, because you could see we hit 291. It pulled back down, right? We hit 282, formed the head shoulders, we pulled back down. It hit, take a look at this, 272, we pulled back down to 252. Okay, this is the next mark. This is gonna be the next key area. So I want you guys to watch out for 250, 252, okay? And also that 249 area, okay? If this Tesla stock wants to go back up to 261, that's where we look for longs, okay? If it shows clearly that it wants to surpass resistance, okay, blast through resistance, we want to look for a continuation on the upside. However, we gotta look at this carefully and cautiously because of all the downwards movement it's been having, okay? So we could see some support at 246 too. So if this takes out 246, we're going right back down to 240, and then with that, we're going right back down to 220. So make sure you guys mark these levels out, okay? That's gonna help you guys a ton. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMZ, and this one is down 1.51% today, down 0.09% overnight. And if you guys haven't picked up Amazon on this huge sell-off, okay, make sure you guys are watching for these long-term stocks that may have fall down in the past week and past months market sell-off, because that is a way you can make money in the future, right? You can go ahead right now, or maybe let's say you want to wait for a bit, right? Buy long-term stocks you know that are good in growth, that's going to go up over time, that their assets are going to grow, that their stock price is going to grow. Look into stocks if you haven't already, because I know that a lot of people may be panicking during this time because of all the market sell-off, but I can tell you for a fact that all the whales have been buying when everyone has been fearful, okay? When you have fear in the market, that's when you get greedy. That's when you step in, okay? Warren Buffett may be even buying the dip. Who knows, right? He holds the most amount of cash right now when it comes to investing in the stock market, right? He is very patient when it comes to money. So we're just gonna have to see where that takes us, okay? Make sure you guys watch all these stocks for tomorrow. That's gonna be important. So if you guys got any value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. With that being said, guys, these are top 5 stocks for tomorrow. So do watch out all of those, okay? Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Discord, first link in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.